2025 Rover Mini, a modern classic. The 2025 Rover Mini strikes the perfect balance between heritage and innovation. Its classic silhouette is enhanced with modern touches, including sleek proportions, reimagined triangular LED taillights, and a bold front grille. Every detail pays homage to its iconic legacy while embracing a forward-thinking design philosophy. Step inside, and the interior welcomes you with a futuristic yet minimalist cabin. The centerpiece is a stunning circular OLED touchscreen, serving as a hub for navigation, entertainment, and driving modes. With advanced connectivity features and premium materials, the 2025 Mini offers a blend of technology and comfort designed for today's driver. Under the hood, you have options tailored to different needs. The petrol-powered 2.0-liter engine delivers spirited performance, while the fully electric version, developed in partnership with Great Wall Motors, offers a range of up to 240 miles. Fast charging capabilities mean the electric Mini is ready for the road in just 30 minutes. Safety remains a priority, with features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and parking sensors ensuring peace of mind on every journey. The Mini also offers extensive customization, from color options to unique trims, allowing drivers to craft a vehicle that truly reflects their personality. The 2025 Mini isn't just about driving, it's about connection. Whether it's the community of loyal Mini enthusiasts or the car's commitment to sustainability through its electric powertrain, this vehicle represents the future while staying true to its roots. The 2025 Rover Mini is more than a car, it's an experience. Are you ready to take the wheel? The 2025 Rover Mini is also packed with intelligent features designed to make every drive more convenient. From voice-activated controls to real-time traffic updates, the car integrates smart technology to keep you connected and in control. Its advanced parking assist and 360-degree camera system ensure effortless navigation in even the trickiest situations, giving you confidence behind the wheel. Built to stand out, the Mini offers endless opportunities for personalization. Drivers can choose from an array of vibrant exterior colors, stylish wheel designs, and premium interior trims. Whether you prefer a bold statement or a subtle, elegant look, the Mini lets you create a vehicle that feels uniquely yours while capturing the spirit of adventure. The 2025 Rover Mini also embraces versatility, making it perfect for any adventure. With its compact size, nimble handling, and spacious interior, it seamlessly adapts to both urban commutes and weekend getaways. Whether it's maneuvering through tight city streets or packing in essentials for a road trip, the Mini proves that big things truly come in small packages.